Hello, Benny. Look what I got you. 4 books. This is a tractor book. This is a truck book. This is a monster truck book. And this is another tractor book. And let's open it and see what's in the tractor book. Whoa, look at that digger. It has so much dirt. And look at this giant tractor is doing so much work.
The owner who made this piece of racing can look some video.
And now we have a really big one with a giant shovel. And look at this one working in the mud. And this one is the best one because this one has a claw, and we love the claw because the claw comes and takes away all the garbage that we can't get rid of ourselves. So the claw is the best. And this is another tractor. It's working. What is this tractor doing? What do you see?
She may not.
What is this tractor doing? What do you think? Whoa, look at this one. It's a crane. The end. Bye-bye, tractors. Love you, Benny.